Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers Hisar Haryana. You can compare company profiles, moving costs, reviews and ratings in a single place to quickly hire the best suited local packers and movers. Best professional packers and movers Hisar Haryana. We provide you the only deals at budget-friendly rates that provide you peace of mind. Our efficient team offers you a tremendous shifting experience alongside solving all of your queries at your doorsteps. Relocation services Hisar Haryana. People who are in search of reliable and trusted home relocation services. This still happens, but by this time the company knows that you are a leader, a qualified employee, a company cheerleader, etc. Car transport services by car carrier Hisar Haryana. You want to take the hassle of finding an agency, calling them, negotiating a rate, packing the vehicle, enduring the stress of hoping that your vehicle doesn't get damaged. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter Hisar Haryana. Hiring vehicle moving services offering auto relocation anywhere in India can be an overwhelming task since there are many determining factors to evaluate. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Hisar Haryana. We are providing transportation and skilled manpower to shift your items from one location to another, including packing, unpacking, transportation, loading and unloading, etc. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution Hisar Haryana. After a commercial move, and to choose a provider can offer a full scope of services managed under one roof with the utmost transparency. The provider has a strong global footprint. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation Hisar Haryana. Local packers and movers listed in this portal are pre-verified and trusted by the Assure Shift reference portal. The simplest way is to submit your moving needs and take references from the portal. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Hisar Haryana. The tasks of international pet relocation can seem pretty confusing. Whether you need ground or flight transportation for your furry or not so furry friend. Goods storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Hisar Haryana. It gets there, it was likely stored in a warehouse. E-commerce is driving logistics to deliver orders placed. Warehousing operations must be optimized to accept incoming inventory in a timely manner. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Hisar Haryana. If you are using multiple vessels for transporting goods, then you should take an insurance plan of this kind as it will cover the goods against damages. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.